Please, if today is the first time coming across this channel, do me the favor to hit the subscribe button, put on the notification bell so that anytime I put out an amazing content like this, you'll be among the first to be notified. Now today I'm going to teach you a strategy you can use both for catching spike and taking default settings on the boom and crash. This strategy applies to both volatility. It is on all synthetic pairs, and you can also try it out on forex. Now the strategy is we're going to be using the minimum of 15 minutes time frame as our signal for entry and for taking positions. Now let me delete these arrows, so that these vertical lines, so that I can explain clearly. Now you can see this is a 1 hour time frame. So what I was expecting is, okay, let me show you the setup so that the explanation will be easier. Click on this hash icon or F icon depending on your own phone setup. Then after that, add the indicators. In the main chart, we have moving average 20. So the strategy is based on moving average 20 pattern trading strategy. So these are the parameters: 50 for period, 20 for period, shift 0, exponential, then close. Use any style of your choice, peg style of your choice, then any color. Then on window 1, for you to get your window 1, click on the F sign here first. After adding your moving average to the main chart, click on this F sign. Then when you click on it, it should take you to where the indicators are. So you should go down to relative strength index under the oscillators. Then you click on it. Once you click on it, this is how the parameters, this is what are the parameters. Period 1, apply to close. 3 pixel, the background color, or 1 pixel. That means if your background is black, use black. We don't need the RSI indicator. We only need the level. So click on level. Add this level 90, 20, 10, and 80. So you buy, you sell when your indicator is at level 90. You look for a sell opportunity when it's at level 90. Then you look for buying opportunity when it's at level 10. So let's go back to the other ones. Then after that, you add moving average 1, moving average period 1, linear weighted, previous data. Then you can put any pixel of your choice and any color. Then here we have period 5 of the same moving average. In the window 1, you add everything in the window 1. You just change the color. It is the same parameter. Then lastly, we have moving average period 10. Then you change the color. After that, you click save, and your chart will look like this. Now, what is the secret behind this strategy? Before we take a buy opportunity, please pay attention, guys. Before we take a buy opportunity, we'll go to the 1 hour time frame. We are using 1 hour time frame. So when you come to the 1 hour time frame, we want to see this our moving average. We want to see them touch level 10. So immediately they touch level 10, then we go to we move to period 15. Sorry, we go to 15-minute time frame. We then go to 15-minute time frame. So what we want to see in 15-minute time frame is this. Already we have been hinted in 1 hour that prices at the moving average are already touching level 10 and level 20. So when you come to your 15 minutes, you are no longer in, you are okay. You want to also see where this line is, this one. So if it is in the same level, which means it has not get into the upper level, then it shows that your permutation is going to play right. That means it's going to go towards your favor. So what you want to see next is, you want to see a bullish candle. That means a green candle close above our moving average 20 in the main chart. Once there's it must close with a full body, not wicks. So that means when you see this one now, this one is not a good signal because it did not close with a full body. So immediately it closed with a full body bullish, then you take your buy. You can see this is where I took my buy here. You can see it, guys. This is where I took my buy. This is boom 1000. I open for buy. That is, I want to catch spike with it. So you open for buy, then you let it run. Now you put your stop loss at the bottom of the candle that cross above the moving average. This was the candle. Let me clean the chart. Now this was the candle, the bullish candle that closed above our moving average, right? Right, good. Now what we want to do is, after we've placed our buy order, then you see you move to the bottom of that candle and put your stop loss below it, very tight. Make it very tight. The bottom of the candle that crosses above the moving average 20, you put your stop loss below it so that it won't take much of your equity when price comes below. You can see it's still spiking to tell you how accurate this strategy is. So after that, you go to your H1. We have put area of stop loss now, right? Let's go to our H1 again for area of TP. If you want to catch TP though, but if you want to catch spike, once you get your target, you can close it. But if you want to still hold the trade for a longer period, if it's another pair, then you go to your H1. Now we were looking for area where price broke a structure. Now looking at it, this was the candle that led to this final move. The candle that led to this final move, the candle that started it and end to this final move is our focus. The bearish candle that started the journey and led to this final move is our focus. So when you look here, this was the bearish candle, and it was the one that broke structure. Not only the one that led to this final move, it was the one that also broke this structure here. Because initially price was coming down. I think there was a support zone, the price went up. But immediately this bearish candle started, it was the one that led to the breaking of that place, creating what? A supply zone. For those of you who are into forex, you understand what I mean by supply zone. So creating a supply zone at that point. Exactly, it was creating supply zone at that point here. At this point, this is our supply zone here. This is it. So there is high tendency that price is coming back to that place, even though price want to go down more. So it must come there, mitigate with it. If there's any supply, any leftover supply, then it will go down. But in this case, we are just focusing there to take our profit. Now, if you put your take profit at this point below the moving average, you are not wrong. Maybe you are scared. You can put your own take profit at that moment, and immediately price mitigate with that place, you take. But since we understand what price is doing, we decided to take it all the way up to where the supply zone is, because we know once price is coming, it's going to break through and go there. And again, for you to know that that place is going to be high probability, you notice that there's what we call flip zone. Let me shift my chart backward a bit. Let me show you what I mean by flip zone. Now for a flip zone, this area was acting as support, right? Initially. Then when price broke below it, you see that it was now acting as resistance for price. Aside that one, there is a mini one here again, a mini flip zone. Area was acting as what? Resistance at this point. Then later now, it's going to be acting as support, because when price comes, it's going to act as support. It acted as support for this, because you see when price broke above it, it couldn't go down. It ranged for almost 3 hours before it break below that place. So that is called flip zone, where support become resistance and resistance become support. So I think that is all. So to if you are using the strategy to catch spike, this is it. This is how you do it. Remember what I said, that you must wait for your H1. It is H1 you are going to start with. You want to see price below your 20 moving average in the main chart. Then for buy conditions, once your price is below it, you want to see price hit this level 10 and level 20. The next thing is you go to your 15-minute time frame. Now, for it to be very accurate, for your permutation or prediction to be accurate, to know that it's going to definitely favor you, you will see 15 minutes also in that zone. If 15 minutes is at the top, it means there is something wrong. That means if your 15 minutes is touching up while your 1 hour is down, then there is no confluence there. There is no confluence there. But once your 15 minutes is touching down, your 1 hour is touching down, then your prediction is going to be right. Now what you just want to see is a breakout of level 20, that is moving average, with a full candle, not a week. Immediately break out, and that candle close, let it close. Once you drop it, place your buy order. Place your buy order. So then you put your stop loss below the candle that broke above the 20 moving average. Then you can ride it, or pending when you reach your daily target, then you close it. Please, if you are still watching and you have not subscribed to my channel, kindly subscribe. Put on notification bell so that anytime I post an amazing content like this, you'll be notified. Now, some of you are still watching my video, you have not yet subscribed. Please do so to grow this channel. And to those of you who are asking for signal, until we hit 500 subscribers, so that is why you have to keep sharing this video for people to come in, then keep giving it thumbs up so that YouTube upgrading will be able to also push it out. Is that clear, guys? So that YouTube upgrading will also push it out. Once we hit 500 subscribers, I'm going to open a Telegram channel where I'll be putting out signals. Then aside this, if you are still having issue with trading all this mobile strategy, check my millionaire strategy where I explain how you can use a software to make $100 consistently, at least every day. In fact, minimum of $50 to $100, regardless your your capital, regardless your capital. So everything you need, and this strategy does not apply to only Lerif. It applies to both forex, any currency. Go and watch that video, millionaire strategy, how to grow your money from little, making it up to millions. It's possible. The thing is that you don't believe. Many of you are skeptical. When you see it like this, you think everybody is a scammer. If you can't afford the money, and I said it that it's only those who are in this channel that I'm going to give it to for affordable price. So if you are in my channel and you're a subscriber, then you are interested in it, then my WhatsApp number is in the description below. Chat me up, then I'll tell you all the necessary things you need. It doesn't matter if you have a laptop or not. I told you in the video, I explained if you have a mobile phone, you can also make this money with it. All you do is just subscribe on VPS. Exactly. When you get the VPS settings, then you put it in. That is all. So we put the softwares there, and those softwares have been already coded. You can't use it and lose. Is a taboo. So I'm not coming to show you proof of earnings, no, because that is the way people scam people. Some of you are waiting for proof of earning before you do something. That is why you fall easily on these people who scam you, because they will come and edit photos of earnings. Some will come and show you what is not, and at the end of the day, you pay huge money, and then before you notice, what they gave you is not working. If you don't have the money, keep using this free strategy. But let me also tell you that every strategy on a mobile phone, if you are new, is only for scalping. That means you can only make little bucks from it. But if you mean business and you want to make money on forex, then you need that millionaire strategy that I just said. Now go and watch the video where I explained how the strategy works and how I use the software to track price movement. This one is not a robot. Go and watch that video and make sure you share the video so that others can also see it and we grow this channel together. And if you want us to open Telegram channel, please keep sharing this video. Put a thumbs up. Put comment. Let me know when you tried it out, if it was okay or not in the comment section. Is that clear? Thanks, guys. I'm going to still be posting more video at the end of the day. Make sure you stick to this channel and get the best. Now, before I go, let me show you a scenario of sell That means where we have a sell setup. This is boom 1000, so we can try it here. Now this is H1. Let's go to H1 because it is H1 we are using. We are looking for a scenario for sell. That means where we get a sell. Okay, I think we have one here. Good. Now let me use my vertical line to trace it both on the window one. This is where we have price closing, sorry, touching the level 90. Don't worry, let me add another one on the window one. Good. This is where we have price touching level what? Level 90. Then I told you that you go to 15-minute time frame because that is the place we easily put out the. Okay, good. You can see now at this point we are not looking at where the what is it called, the moving average is. So you can see that at this point price has already did what? Price has already closed below the moving average. This was when price closed below the moving average. I will illustrate some things to you. Don't panic, and I'll still tell you what to do in that case. Now you can see that. Okay, sorry, this was the candle that closed below it. Then let's move. Good. So you remember what I told you guys, that immediately we have a bearish candle that closed below our moving average, on 15 minutes, and price is at the what? 90 and 80 level. Just the same thing we have in 1 hour. You do what? You place your sell. The other one was buy. You place your sell. Now in this case, if you put your stop loss immediately, sorry, if you put your stop loss, this was the bearish candle that led to the close. If you have put your stop loss above it, maybe this spike might have taken you out, right? Some people sometimes can put their stop loss above, in fact, the swing high or the swing low. You can see this is the swing high. So you can use the swing high or the swing low, but just should, in case you don't have enough capital, that is why I said you should put it at the top of the candle, that the bottom or the top of the candle that led to the break, that led to the closing in the, what is it called, in the moving average. So do you see what happened here? You put it at the swing high, then what do you notice next? Price came in, maybe it took you out. Immediately it took you out, you wait for another setup, but this time around make sure you shift it above. Always put it at the swing high. Please, swing high or swing low. So the second time it will do that shift if you put your TP here, because there is a flip zone there too, which was acting as area of resistance and support before. But at the end of the whole thing, you see price went down. Price did what? Price went and sell all the way down. Can you see it? You see from where you have entered earlier, price sell all the way down. Exactly, because we are using 1 hour time frame. See, price sell all the way down. So immediately price is touching this level 90 in your 1 hour, then you exit the trade. So you can try it on any other pair. Please make sure you subscribe. Thanks. See you in the next video.